Oof. Hi everyone, welcome to Mendes Finance. Story time of how I started to invest into crypto. This was in 2019. I was 19 years old. Today I'm 21, about to be 22. The fact is that cryptocurrencies, in general, decentralized finance, was like hell to me. Like I actually didn't want to know anything about it because I was thought like that. Like my teachers were like, don't go into cryptocurrencies, no one actually knows how to measure them. It's so risky, so volatile, no one understands. Investors in Wall Street don't approve it. The best schools, universities in Mexico, I'm from Mexico, don't approve it. And everything was like so against cryptocurrencies, DeFi. And so I was like in that kind of mindset. But the fact is that I changed, and I'm so thankful for that, because that changed my whole life, like literally. And I'm sorry, a little bit of context. Right now I'm studying finance in the university. I'm about to finish. I have 1 year left to finish. I actually love stocks, but I'm not really into it. My whole world is DeFi, decentralized finance, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, whatever it relates to blockchain. I love it. I just love it. And that's why I started this channel in TikTok about Mendes Finance. Actually, for people that don't know what DeFi is, in general, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, to start learning, and don't be like me when I was 19 years old in 2019, that I was so against the idea of getting to know this whole new world that is so amazing and has so much opportunities. So that's my story into cryptocurrencies. I got involved and I just can't go out of it. It's my whole world, actually. If you want more stories about like how I got into investing, let me know and I'll be posting soon.